Hello everyone, welcome back. Now let us start problem number 38, which says a metal sphere of radius r carries charge q and is surrounded by a thick concentric metal shell. Inner radius a, outer radius b. In the shell carries no net charge. We need to find the surface charge density sigma at three different points and potential at the center. All right, and we need to calculate the we need to calculate the similar part A and part B when the outer sphere is touched to the ground. All right, so let us start the problem. Problem number 38, page 102. So the figure is such that we have a solid sphere here of radius r and then a thick spherical shell which has inner radius as a and outer radius as b. So before solving this question, I suggest you that you must read the theory given on page number from page number 97 to 101. It will help you understand the question better. All right. So we need to calculate first of all it has charge q over it. And why I'm talking about reading the theory, because as it will give you a glance that how induced charges that charges induce on the thick spherical shell. So if this charge has this sphere has charge q, then it will be minus q over here and it will be plus q over here. The charges will be induced on the spherical shell, conducting spherical shell there. So now part A. All right, let me just focus. Yes, so part A is find the surface charge density sigma. So as we know that sigma is q upon dA, and at r, first of all sigma at r. So sigma at r will be, the charge is q, dA is surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So charge density at sigma at r is this, and charge density at similarly at A will be minus q. Why minus q? Because the charge over the in the inner radius of the thick spherical shell is minus q. So it is 4 pi a square here, and similarly for B we have q upon 4 pi b square. All right. So now let us talk about part number B. We need to find the potential at the center here. All right, potential at center. Formula for potential is E dot dl, and we need to take the infinity as the reference point for. So I'll reverse the we take from infinity to that point. So I'll take that compensate the minus in the limits. So from at the center to infinite. All right. So as we know that E is 4 pi kq upon r square and dl is dr. So on solving we get kq upon r, and from limits will be first of all from r to a, then a to b, and then b to infinity. So I am writing direct that how we got the answer, kq by r plus kq, and the charge is minus here, so minus kq by a plus kq by b. So we get kq 1 by r minus 1 by a plus 1 by b. So this is the potential at the center. All right. So now let us talk about part number C here. So part number C says if the outer surface is touched to the grounding wire. All right. So it is saying that he has grounded the outer surface. So this means that this charge is 0 here. All charge has transferred to the ground, and only the charge density will only exist for the spherical shell, this one, and for the sphere only. So now let us talk about part number A. So the change will be only sigma b will be become 0, and sigma a and sigma r are same. Sigma a and sigma r and sigma a will be same. All right. So let us talk about potential now. Potential will be kq upon r minus 1 by a. This will become 0. Why? Because the charge over the outer surface has become 0. So this will be the answer for the change in part A and part B if the outer surface is grounded. So that's all for this video. Thank you.